Hello guys, in this video I want to be seeing how to draw the curve for the hood and the grill panel. Here I have my set of surfaces for the windscreen, so we're going to be starting from that. Here I'm using the CV move tool to move the CVs around. I'm using the move option, and we're going to move the CVs in the Z axis. So we can adjust the sensitivity to get more, to be faster or more accurate with the move. Finally, to do a good analysis of our curve, we have to use the curvature graph. You can find it under the locators panel, and we're gonna apply this curvature graph to our drawn curve right now. And as you can see in the control panel, you can find these options to get more samples, and so the curvature graph is smoother. And you can increase the scale to have a better view of how the curvature in the graph is going. So we can zoom in and see if we are doing right with our curvature graph. And as you can see here, we have an inflection, and we shouldn't have this. To finish, we're going to be creating the copy of this curve to the other side. To do this, we want to pick the curve and then go to Edit and pick Duplicate Mirror and choose the X and Z plane as the mirror plane to create a symmetrical curve to the other side of the car.